San Antonio, I hope you are staying warm as we brace for the freezing temperatures to pass over. And the fire department wants to make sure you're doing this in a safe manner. In the last 10 days, the fire department has had to put out 9 fires caused by bad heating systems and people using their chimneys when they're not being maintained. So a common culprit for electrical fires are space heaters. The fire department says to please plug them directly into the wall. Do not put them into an extension cord. This can cause a surge. And then to not leave it near anything flammable. This can include a rug, a blanket, a curtain. Do not do this. And then to also turn the space heater off if you're not in the room with it on. If you leave it on and you leave the room, it can only take a few seconds to spark a fire. One last tip and recommendation is to not use your oven to heat your home or use a gas-powered stove. That can cause carbon monoxide poisoning. So following these tips can help the fire department respond to other emergencies in the community.